Tungsten inert gas. Welding explained. I've always wondered, what is tungsten inert gas welding? And why doesn't it spark like regular stick welding? Why are the welds so clean, smooth, and strong? Let me break it down. The basics. Tungsten inert gas stands for tungsten inert gas welding. It's still arc welding, using high heat from an electric arc to melt metal. But unlike stick welding, where the electrode itself melts and becomes filler, tungsten inert gas uses a tungsten electrode that never melts. Tungsten melts above 3,400 degrees Celsius, so it only conducts electricity and creates the arc. It stays completely intact. How it works. For most metals, tungsten inert gas uses direct current, DC. When the tungsten tip gets close to the workpiece, the air breaks down, creating a stable arc reaching over 6,000 degrees Celsius, hot enough to instantly melt metal into a molten pool. As you move the torch, the pool follows and solidifies behind it, forming a clean weld bead. Why argon gas? Molten metal reacts violently with air. Oxygen and nitrogen cause porosity, slag, and weak welds. Stick welding uses flux coating to shield the air, hence all the sparks. Tungsten inert gas uses argon, an inert gas that flows from the torch nozzle like an invisible shield, completely blocking air from the arc and molten pool. No oxidation, no contamination, just a clean, high-quality weld. Filler wire. Sometimes melting just the base metal isn't enough. You get sunken welds and weak joints. That's when you add filler wire to build up the weld and increase strength. Rule: match the wire to the base metal. Aluminum wire for aluminum, stainless wire for stainless. Mismatched filler ruins corrosion resistance and strength. Welding. Aluminum? Use AC aluminum, has a tough oxide layer. Melts above 2,000 degrees Celsius, way higher than aluminum itself. DC can't break through it. That's why aluminum needs alternating current. The polarity rapidly switches, breaking up the oxide layer while melting the aluminum underneath. Clean pool equals good weld. Quick how-to. Turn on argon, check for leaks, inspect the tungsten, grind tungsten to a sharp conical tip. Focused arc equals better welds. Clamp the workpiece firmly, good connection equals stable arc. Hold torch at 70 to 80 degrees. Keep tungsten 2 to 4 millimeters from the metal strike arc. Let the pool form, then move smoothly. End by gradually reducing current. Prevents crater cracks. Don't lift the torch immediately. Let argon keep shielding the hot weld to prevent discoloration. And that's tungsten inert gas welding in a nutshell.